All the potatoes that I got, and just begin to rain when I finish this. I don't have time to take care of the carver, so I will have to do it later. And I need to put away my tools. Let's do that. My dogs are crazy today. Why are you crazy? Why are you so crazy? Oh, I need to. I need to also pick the plums. Get some of my plums. This year I didn't get a lot, but it will be a nice job. Maybe I will mix with something else. This was good. So I harvest one of these tomato, one of these will put some of the small cherry tomatoes and a lot of green bean. And now let's see. Oh, look at this. They are almost ready. And they have more in the top. Okay, we would wait more for these. They are almost. Yeah, you need a little more. Okay. Something because I want to have some kind of delicious greens for lunch, and I love these. These are beets, and I actually eat the green of the beets. Let my husband clean all the sidewalk. Look at this, brand new. Now I got flowers that are growing. Look at these, so cute. These will be blooming in summer. Gladiolus. Like these peppers. Aren't these huge? I will leave one more day, or maybe until later. What is the corn? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, the sun is coming. Hurry up. Gladiolas are growing, but they are falling to the side, so I will put these sticks now. Now we have those standing. We'll see if those will bloom. I need this space for other stuff. Look at my tomatoes. They are falling apart everywhere. I'm trying to contain. I think I will use this area to do my zucchini. Let's try that.